Now we're supposed to convert the BCD code, binary coded decimal, to decimal. In order to do so, we're supposed to convert every 4 binary bits to 1 decimal digit. So I have 4 bits. Remember, I always start counting bits from the right side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is binary 6. 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. I have another 4 bits. 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is 96 base 10. So this BCD code is equivalent to 96 base 10. Let's take a look at the next example. Again, we're supposed to make the groups of 4 binary bits. This is binary 2. This is binary 8. Someone is going to ask, how come? Just simply write weight over every single bit. 1, 2, 4, 8. So that's why this is 2, because I have 2 over 1. And this one is 1, 2, 4, 8 is 8 because I have 8 over 1. This is base 10. So this BCD number is equivalent to 82 base 10. Next, let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to make the groups of 4. This is binary 3. This is binary 5. And this is binary 4. Again, someone is going to ask, how come? 1, 2, 4, 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1, 2, 4, 8. Simply copy down 4. This is base 10. So binary coded decimal, which was given, is equivalent to 453 base 10. And this is the solution to my problem.